Hi everyone! Today we'll be reviewing the national flag of the United States of America. The review will be done using the 5 basic principles of flag design as outlined in the book Good Flag, Bad Flag, written by Ted Kay and published by the North American Vexillological Association. Here is a quick rundown of the 5 principles. We will review the flag under each principle and give a score out of 10 for each. At the end, we will calculate the average score of the 5 principles, which will give us the overall final score for the flag. Let's begin. The flag consists of 13 alternating horizontal stripes of red and white. The canton has a blue rectangle which is charged with 50 white 5-pointed stars. While each element of the flag is fairly simple and drawing a simplified, easily recognizable version of the flag isn't too difficult, this is a complicated design that's difficult to draw accurately. The 13 stripes are a little tricky, but it's the 50 stars that present the biggest issue. The arrangement of 9 rows of alternating 6 and 5 stars is hard to get right, and the fact the stars are small and crammed into the canton adds another layer of difficulty. While the flag gets some marks for the fact it consists of simple shapes, the fact there are so many individual elements means the flag loses a lot of marks for simplicity. For this principle, the flag scores 2 out of 10. The current version of the flag was adopted in 1960 when the number of stars increased from 49 to 50. This is the 28th version, and the reason the flag has changed so often is because each star represents each individual state that makes up the U.S., and the number of states that joined the Union has increased over time. Hawaii was the 50th and the last state to join in 1959, and the flag was changed the following year. The 13 stripes represent the 13 colonies that declared independence from Britain and subsequently became the 13 original states of the U.S. There is no official symbolism for the colors, though we do have sources which claim the following. Blue stands for loyalty, devotion, truth, justice, and friendship. Red symbolizes courage, zeal, and fervency, while white denotes purity and rectitude of conduct. The flag gets quite a few marks for the symbolism of the stars and stripes. One could argue that it's not ideal that so much of the flag represents the 13 original states, while the remaining 37 have less representation. However, this can be countered with the argument that the 13 original states deserve this recognition given the fact that they were the ones that gained independence and gave birth to the nation. The flag loses some marks for the lack of official symbolism of the colors. For this principle, the flag gets 7 out of 10. The flag has 3 colors. Those are red, white, and blue. All 3 colors are part of the standard set. With contrast, we have an issue with the top 4 red stripes bordering the blue canton. The blue and red are dark colors, which contrast poorly. Because these borders don't take up a large area of the flag only loses half a mark. Overall for color, the flag scores 9.5 out of 10. The flag has no lettering, seals, or coat of arms. For this principle, the flag gets 10 out of 10. The flag is one of the most recognizable in the world. Not only is it hugely popular within the U.S., it's easily recognized throughout the world thanks to the huge role the U.S. has played in the world over the last number of decades. In terms of distinctiveness, there are 2 other national flags that look quite similar, and this is because these other countries use the American flag as the base for their design. The flag of Liberia used the same stripe design, though they have 11 stripes instead of 13. The biggest difference is that Liberia has just 1 star in the canton instead of 50. Malaysia also has a similar flag. They have 14 stripes instead of 13. Like the Liberian flag, the biggest difference lies within the canton. Malaysia's yellow crescent and 14-pointed star make the flag somewhat different. Because the U.S. flag is older than the other 2, it doesn't lose any marks for the similarities. For this principle, the flag scores 10 out of 10. So now we review the flag on each of the 5 principles. We're going to add the scores and divide by 5 to get the average. So, for the national flag of the United States, we get a final score of 7.7 out of 10.